You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to generate images with Bing AI. The first thing you want to do is go onto Bing AI. So for example, if you're using the Google browser, you can type in Bing AI. Then you're going to select the first option which says Microsoft Copilot in Bing. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on sign in the top right hand corner right here, and you're going to sign in real quick. You can do that using your email address. Once you're signed in or you're signed up, you're going to tap on Microsoft Bing in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to tap on images from the navigation menu option. After tapping on images, all you'll need to do now is tap on create right here. After you have tapped on create, you'll be redirected to this page. And for example, I typed in the prompt earlier, a German Shepherd running in Mars, and you can see the different images that it came up with. So for example, if I wanted to use this one, all I had to do was select the image. Then from there, you can tap on download to save the image. Or another thing that you can also do is you could tap on customize right here. After tapping on customize, you'll be redirected to a new page, which is the Microsoft Designer. Once on the Microsoft Designer, you can see that you have different editing options from the left-hand menu option right here. So for example, you can edit the image even further. And that's about it. So for example, if you like to remove the background, you can do that, but it is taking a while to load up. You could remove the background, you could crop the image, you can also edit it in different ways. And once you're finished, all you need to do is tap on download and you will be able to save your image. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Oh, as you can see right here, it has now loaded up. Now that it has loaded up, for example, if you like to blur the background, I could tap on blur background. Then you can see right there that the background has now been blurred. If you like to remove the background, you can do that. You can see the different options right here on how you can edit it, as you can see there. And once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on download in the top right hand corner to save the changes. But you can see the different editing options right there. If it is a case that you like to add text to the image, you can do that by tapping on text from the left hand menu option. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.